Hi guys, this is next part of online inventory management system by using PHP with Ajax, and in this part we have start discussing order management, because in order management is required feature. In previous part we have already discussed inventory management, and in that we have seen how to load inventory data on web page, insert new inventory into system, change existing inventory data and discontinue inventory system. Now, in order management, we will learn how to load order data on web page by using Jquery Databases plugin, create new order with multiple item, edit exit order with add or remove item from order and view order in PDF. First we have start learning how to load order data on web page by using Jquery Datatables plugin with PHP Script. So here we will load order data on web page in tabular format with view PDF button, update and delete button. Order page can access by sub-user also. For load order data on web page, so we have go to order.php page, and on this page first we want to make database connection on this page, so we have write include statement with database connection.php file. This statement will make database connection on this page. After this we want to restrict sub-user to directly access this page without login to this system, so we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not operator with this set function with $session type variable. This condition will check if $session type variable value is set or not. If value is set, that means his user is login into system, otherwise he is not login into system. Suppose $session type variable value is not set, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write header method with location set to login.php. This code will redirect to login page, if user cannot directly access to this page without login. Below this we have write include statement, and under this we have write header.php. By using this code we can use all code of header.php page into this order page, so on this page menu of header.php page will be included. Now we have moved to HTML code, and here we have write span tag with attributed is equal to alert action. Under this tag we will display success message on web page. After this we have write define one table with attributed is equal to order data and class is equal to table, table bordered and table striped. Under this table we have defined 10 table column like ordered, customer name, total amount, payment status, order data. We want to show created by table column to master user, so we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $session type variable value is equal to master. This condition will check this variable value is equal to master, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have defined created by table column, and this column is only visible to master user only. Now we have moved to Jquery code, and here we have write variable order data table is equal to with table id order data with data table method. This method we will activate data table plugin on table id order data. Under this data table method we have set processing option set to true. This option will activate processing option of data tables plugin. Then after we have write other option like server-side option set to true, this option activate server-side operation. Now we have write order option set with blank array. In data table method we have write Ajax request, and under this Ajax method we can define URL option set to order fetch.php. We have send request to this product fetch.php page. And under Ajax we have also write second option like type set to post. Here we have use post method for send data. Suppose we want to remove table column order from 8th, 9th and 10th table column, because in those table column we have display view PDF, edit and delete button, and this plugin will automatically activate order sorting. So remove table column Ajax order. So we have write column definition option, and under this option we have write targets option, and under this option we have write table column number like 8, 9 and 10 in array format. For remove order we have write orderable option set to false. This option will remove table column order from above defined table column. After this we want to display 10 data per page in order data table, so we have write page length option set to 10. This option will display 10 data per page. After defined data table definition, now we have moved to write PHP code in order fetch.php page. So first we want to make database connection on this page. We have write include statement with database connection.php file. On this page first we have write $query variable is equal blank value. In this variable we will make select query for fetch data from inventory order table. Then after we have also write $output variable is equal to array data type. In this variable we will store inventory order table data in HTML format. After this we have write $query variable, and in this variable we have append query like select star from inventory order table, where this query will fetch data from inventory order table. Now we want to set when particular sub-user login into system, then on this page he can view order data which are created by him. So here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $session type variable value is equal to user. So when user login into system, then at that time $session type variable value will be user, and it will execute if block of code. So under this block we have write $query variable, and in this we have append query like user id is equal to $session user id variable. So if user will log in into system come here, then he can view only that order which are created by him. Now we have write if statement, and in condition we have write is set function with $post search value variable. If we have write something in search box, then this condition will true and it will execute if block of code. Under this condition we have write $query variable, and in this variable we have append query like inventory order id like $post search value variable %. It will search data in inventory order id table column. Below this we have again query in $query variable, and under query we have write or inventory order name like $post search value variable %. This will search data in inventory order name table column. Same way we want to search data in inventory order total table column, so we have write $query variable, and under this we have append inventory order status table column like $post search value variable. After this we have again write $query variable, and under this variable we have append query like or query order status table like $post search value variable. This will search data in inventory order status table column. Lastly, under this block we have write $query variable, and under this variable we have append query like order inventory order date table column like $post search value variable. This condition will search data in inventory order table column. After this we have again write if statement, and in condition we have write is set function with $post order variable. If we have click on any table column order, then this condition will true and it will execute this if block of code. Under this block we have write $query variable, and under this variable we have append query like order by $post order 0 column variable with $post order 0 directory variable. So when we have click on table column order arrow, then this block of code will execute. Otherwise it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $query variable, and under this variable we have append query like order by inventory order in descending order. So this code order particular table column order. Now we have write if statement again for limit the data per page, so we have write if statement, and under this we have write $post length variable value is not equal to -1. So when page load this condition will be true. Under this block we have write $query variable, and under this variable we have append query like limit $post start variable, $post length variable. This query for display data per page. Now we have write $statement variable is equal to database connection string like $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this statement we have write $query variable. After this we want to execute this prepare statement, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This method will execute prepare statement. Now we want to fetch result from query execution, so we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will fetch a result from query execution and store into $result variable. Then after we have write $data variable is equal to array data type. In this variable we will store brand data. Now we want to get the number of rows from query result, so we have write $filtered rows variable is equal to $statement variable with row count method. This method will return number of rows from query result. After this we want to fetch data from $result variable, so we have write for each loop with $result variable as $row variable. By using for each loop we will fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop we have first defined $payment status variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will store payment status data. So below we have write if condition with $row payment status variable value is equal cash. If this condition will true, then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose above condition is true, then it will execute if block, and under this block we have write $payment status variable is equal to span tag class is equal to label primary with text cache. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $payment status variable is equal to span tag class is equal to label wearing with text credit. Below we have write $status variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will store order status data. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $row inventory order status variable value is equal to active. If this condition will true, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose $row product status variable value is equal to active, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write $status variable is equal to span tag with class is equal to label success with active text. But suppose $row product status variable value is not equal to active, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $status variable is equal to span tag with class is equal to label danger with text inactive. After this we have defined one new variable $subarray is equal to array data type. Under this variable first we want to store value of inventory order at table column, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row inventory order at variable. After this we want to store inventory order name table column data, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row inventory order name variable. Below this we want to store inventory order total table column data, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row inventory order total variable. Now in $subarray variable we want to store payment status data, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $payment status variable. After this we want to store inventory order status table column data, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $status variable. Now we want to store inventory order date table column data, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row inventory order date variable. After this we want to store order create by which user and it is only displayed to master user, so we have write if condition like $session type variable value is equal to master. If this condition true then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $subarray variable is equal to get username function with two argument like $connect variable and $row user id variable. So now we have go to function.php page, and on this page we have defined get username function with two argument like $connect variable and $user id variable. Under this function we have write $query variable is equal to select username from user details table where user id is equal to $user id variable. This select query will select particular username from user details table. Below this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. This statement will make query for execution. Now we want to execute query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This will execute method. After this we want to get query execution result, so we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. Now we have write for each loop with $result variable as $row variable. By using this loop we can fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop we have write return statement with $row username variable. This will return particular username and this is output of this function. Now we have go to order.php page, and on this page we have write include statement with function.php page. By using this statement we can call any method of this function.php page under this order.php page. Now we want to store PDF button code, so we have write $subarray variable is equal to anchor tag with ref is equal to view order.php $PDF is equal to on and order id is equal to $row inventory order id variable with anchor text like view PDF. After this for update button we have write $subarray variable is equal to button tag with attribute type is equal to button, name is equal to update, id is equal to $row inventory order id variable, class is equal to update and button text is equal to update. Here in id attribute we have stored dynamic value of inventory order id table column. We will use this value in Jquery code, and in Jquery code we will use class as selector. Same way for delete button we have write $subarray variable is equal to button tag with attribute type is equal to button, name is equal to delete, id is equal to $row inventory order id variable, class is equal to delete and button text is equal to delete. Here we have also write data status attribute, and in this we have store status of particular inventory order. Here also we have store dynamic value of inventory order in id attribute. Now we have store $subarray variable value into $dataArray variable, so we have write $dataArray variable is equal to $subarray variable. So this way we have fetched data from inventory order table and store into $data variable. Now we want to get total number of rows from order table. So for this first we have create one function getTotalAllRecords function with $connect variable as argument. This function will return total records from order table. Under this function we have write $statement variable is equal to database connection variable $connect variable with prepare method, and under this we have write select star from inventory order table. Now we want to execute this prepare statement, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This method will execute prepare statement. And in this function lastly we have write return statement with $statement variable with row count function. This function will return number of rows from query execution. Now we have write $output variable is equal to array, and in this array we have write first key draw with value $post draw variable. In second key we have write records total key with value $filtered rows variable in which we have store rows. In third key we have write records filtered key with output get from getTotalAllRecords function with $connect variable as argument. And in last key we have write data key with $data variable value in which we have store inventory order table data. After store all data in $output variable, now we want send this data to Ajax request. So we have write echo statement with JSON function with $output variable. This function will convert PHP array into JSON string and send to Ajax request. Now we have save code and check output on browser. Friends, we can see when page has been loaded into, then we can see that inventory order table data has been displayed into Datatables plugin. Here you can see inventory order data in Datatables plugin with feature like search table data, Ajax table column order and pagination automatically. We can also see view inventory order in PDF format, update and delete button also. So in next part we have moved to discuss how to create new order. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.